exciting. We have here behind me a gathering of scientists. Now, I have heard that two of the most important scientists at this time are somewhere in this group. Let's go and see if we can find them. I'm here with Professor Penny, Professor Peter. Now, what exactly is the history of science and where does it come from?
It's a good question. If we think of science as being just wondering how the world works and having that curiosity, I imagine that science is about as old as, well, humans themselves, I reckon. But I like to think that maybe Galileo has played an important role in the history of science because he put together thinking with actually looking at observations and saying, what is the evidence?
What has been the cause of this national science outbreak?
I heard that it happened at the Echo this week, and there were a whole bunch of young scientists out there and they were talking about the future of mankind and the problems of the world. They said we've got these huge environmental problems, we've got health problems, we've got economic problems. It's down to science to fix all this stuff, and those old scientists aren't doing anything about it. So we young scientists are going to have to get out there and save the world.
How many and what sorts of people do you think have been affected?
My sources tell me that everyone, every single Australian may be affected.
Are you concerned that almost everybody in Australia is being exposed to science on a daily basis?
I think it's fantastic. You know, one way or another, we've got some pretty big issues to address in this country. All those ones, the environmental and health ones, and the economic ones, and all of them are going to require all of us to have a better understanding of science. So we need this infection to spread as fast as it can.
Well, it would appear these scientists will not rest until every member of the Australian nation is infected with the science bug.